Oh, good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yeah, we'll start out with let's see. Yeah, let's start out with the Qs. Let's just start out with the indexes. Actually, here a little. Rich, good morning, good morning. Actually, here a little bit before the market opens. All right, let's turn some of these on for now. Actually, let's start on the 10. Let's start on the 10. Your travesty, good morning, good morning. All right, so it looks like we're open. Let's see what we got going here. See, we got the early birds in the chat. Let's turn it all on. Forget VWAP though. All right, so game plan is kind of the same as yesterday. Let the market create the footprint for the day. Notice we have got this gap up here on the SPY. And then I think we got one on, yeah, we actually have one on the Qs too. Let me mark that just because I want to be aware of it. All right, so yeah, we got that gap up there too. My portfolio went up like 140 yesterday, and I made 140 on sports betting. About to check my portfolio now. Hey, love to hear it. Love to hear it. Hakeem, good morning, family. All right, let's see. Oh, I need to. This is your reminder to slow it down. I feel a little rushed right now. Vibe with chills. Good morning. Good energy. Yeah, good energy. Rick, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, trying to slow it down a little bit in the morning. It's like every time I see these like volume bars kind of going crazy, it just makes me I guess feel a little rushed. All right, so let me draw a line for support on the Qs as well. I'm gonna put it at 491. You know, I see it right here, but yeah, 491. And then also down here we got some liquidity. I charted on watch list this morning. Why, thank you. All right. Mass 3DRC, what's up? Rick, Disney up on news of new leadership. Oh yeah, I saw something about that. Disney is in need of new leadership, in my opinion. But let's see. Here, we'll keep the SPY up. Let's take a look at Disney, see what's up. Yeah, most of the time we like to sell that off anyway, but let's check them out on the 4. Philip, good morning. Good morning. Let's hope we can get a trade in like Philip today. All right. And on the 4 hour, almost looks like actually, if we zoom out, almost looks like a double top. To me, like looking at the 100-day, I would want to see how the day closed out, but Disney looks like it's ripe for another short, and it could come potentially back down to this 87. Just like kind of looking at stuff with more times. All right, that worked TV. Just watch your video on beginners trading options on Robinhood. Thanks for the knowledge. Everything helps. Hey, I'm glad you found it helpful. Oh my goodness, AMD is falling. What is? Okay? So AMD has support at 154. So I kind of want to see what happens here. Let me go back down to like a 5. See if we see any sort of change or anything go on. Things are looking kind of bearish to start the day, but Azure, good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah, I gotta hop on the stream too on my little monitoring device. there I am. There I am. Okay. All right, so we're going a little testing that like what was this? This 154 going below it. See what we do with this trend line. I'm gonna go back up to a 10-minute though. Yeah, we're kind of selling off on AMD to start the morning. SPY is kind of flat. Let's see how the Qs are doing. Check the chart real quick. Kind of holding up on this trend line a little bit. Still watching Went Rig. Okay. Palantir is going up. Yeah, Palantir usually has a move in the morning. Okay, so they broke the trend line. It's so annoying how they usually just like pop. It's like you have to swing Palantir if you want to catch these moves. Almost. You either have to swing them or trade them right at open. It's not something it's not usually best for me to trade them right at open. But yeah, Palantir going a little wild. Let's zoom out a little bit. See what we see. They're still currently in a downtrend. But this could, like this level right here, could potentially be liquidity for them to, well, actually, hold up. Let me see what they look like on the daily. Oh man, I guess they're still in an uptrend. I feel like they still got to come back down though. There's some things unsatisfied. So this could be liquidity for downside, just short term. He said that's my strategy with Palantir. Swing and sell before. Hey, I mean, it looks like it would work. Sometimes my only thing is like, which way is it going? I'm tempted to. Let me see. Yeah, I'm tempted to like. Here, let me see what is going on here. Angie B, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, it looks like it might already. Let's go back to a 10. It likes to do a seesaw, honestly. Oh yeah, I'm not even liking the small trade on it. Another day, another nickel. Hey. We gotta get a little bit more than a nickel. Inflation's running faster than that. All right, so let's go back to the Qs. The Q is moving up. Where's AMD? It's still below. So the Qs, let's go to a 5. Shirley, good morning. Good morning. What's up, Tough W? We'll come to a 5 on the SPY too. Yeah, we're just here taking our time this morning. I think it's good that crypto is. Yeah, I want to like share my. Oh wait, hold on. We're kind of popping on the Qs. I'll wait a little bit to kind of share what I was going to say. My wife brought me like some. Gotta invite my brother to this. Hey, 100%. 100%. But only if your brother's cool, though. Gotta keep it cool in here. Tatiana, good morning. Good morning. Hope all is well. Had to leave early. Actually, I think I am still in SoFi, but I'm not feeling as good about it. Here, let's look at SoFi real quick. I mean, it hasn't. Hold on, I feel like that's a while. Oh, it's on the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm still in SoFi, and actually, what I saw is still kind of valid, but it does look like it's going up. Maybe I make my stop loss a little tighter, but yeah, I'm still in it. Let me see how I'm doing on the contract. Let's see. So that contract is down. Dang, it's down 42%. That's like $6 though. Wait, okay. You said only if he hits the light. Oh, you're talking about his brother. Jorman, good morning. Oh, y'all, excuse me. If I am killing y'all with like smacking sound, I'm sorry, my wife just brought in like, I don't know. I'm not trying to make this like an ASMR channel, but that might be what it is right now. My apologies to anyone being disturbed. You said you're currently even on. Hey, I'm glad to hear you're even. Really, it's just going to depend on what it does. Let me zoom back in on the time. We got the volume kind of coming down on the SPY, on the Qs. Yeah, the volume's low. We'll kind of give it time. I really like the idea of getting. So there are gaps up to these where these blue lines are. I really like the idea of see how we're pushing up with low volume. I like the idea of grabbing like a short at those levels. Roy, good morning. Good morning. All right, you're watching OKLO. It's tied to Sam Altman. Let's look at it over here. Take a look at that. Okay, still in the uptrend. To those of you watching, oh no, let's do this trend line. To those of you watching, you may have just, I mean, this will be your, either you watch for the break here, or this would have been your buy zone. So, let's see how it looks on the daily, or how it looks on the day. Nvidia going up. What's AMD doing? Because it had come down to that level. Oh no, it's still, yeah, there's divergence between the two. Yeah, Nvidia is bringing up the whole QQQ though, and the market is trying to bring up the SPY, but not quite the same on the SPY. I'm almost like, I'm more interested in the Qs today than I am the SPY, so I'm gonna slide the Qs over here, and then we can, I guess, watch something else. on this side, or I'm free to watch kind of whatever on this side. This side's going to be kind of what I'm prioritized looking at. Robinhood keeps sending these emails up about its new platform. I'm like so ready to get in there and figure it out. I feel like so many people have been asking me for content on Robinhood, like when it comes to setting up charts. I'm like, yo, I don't like the charts on Robinhood, but you know, maybe things change. I still haven't watched the actual event. I need to do that. There you go. All right, we're still pushing up on the SPY. No, not the SPY, the Qs. We're going to fill in that gap. So yeah. Yeah, let me zoom out real quick, make sure there's... So on the 4 hour, let's see. Oh, we'll see. I'll leave that there for now. We'll see how that holds up. But I still would look for this gap to be filled. QQQ call, I'll wait a bit. I would say if you were going to get a call, the time was kind of like down here. Because it's like we knew there was a gap down and that it would come. Someone would try to fill it, but I didn't know they'd go for it so fast. Yeah, but I'm trying to wait and see what the market gives us. It's like we could come here, see what the volume's looking like up here. We'll see. It's I feel like I guess I'm a target downside. I don't know. Like the pattern on both of these looks similar, but they're not moving the same today. Palantir's still chilling around that level, was it? Okay, SoFi's pushing up. May end up cutting up. Dixie's running up though. And let's see. What's that doing? SPY. You got Bitcoin. I still want to talk about that. Got the miners. Let's check on AMD. Might have found support here. I'm gonna set an alert at that level just so I know. Just recheck whenever it comes up there. Okay, yeah, I was trying to see Palantir. So yeah, this looks like it could be a sweep. I just didn't like the price of the option. It's like not as cheap as I would have wanted. So I didn't see it as being worth it for what I was looking for. Sergeant Boss Hog was good. Good morning. And let's look at Apple. Apple's been having decent movement these past whatever. It's like for the longest, Apple was kind of in a period where it's like, oh yeah, I don't want to trade it, but just over the past few weeks, it's like it doesn't look good on the 4 hour, but it's like it's been moving between the levels and moving level to level. So it's like if you've been making trades with Apple, you actually had the opportunity to profit from them. So I might need to move them a little higher on my list right now. Q's still pushing up. Holding strong. Yes, it is. There was a lot of divergence, I would say there's a lot of divergence with this one because you got coin and Bitcoin going down. And, here, let me switch that up real quick. I'll go on and say what I wanted to say about Bitcoin for those of you that didn't catch the watch list. Hit that like button, please, and thank you. Y'all heard Hakeem. Hey, be sure to smash the like button. Already looking alright, but hey, it can always look better. But yeah, what I was saying about, okay, we're selling off a little bit here. I'm getting a little pullback. But what I had to say about Bitcoin is, here, let's look at it on the weekly. We got our breakout. And I have this trend line drawn out. If we end up continuing to respect this, if we respect this trend that's kind of started over here September 24th or September 2nd, as long as we respect that, hey, we be at like 95K on Bitcoin by April. But when it comes to looking at crypto and whatnot, they are looking at Bitcoin right now. We could say looking to enter around 64, or Bitcoin at 64, or if it pulls back to this trend line of 61, that's probably when you go like full position on what you're looking for. And then if it breaks, you just cut out. But yeah, you would look for a pullback to this area or to this right here. And that's ideally when you're going to get the best price on all of these. So yeah, it's good that we're kind of getting like a little pullback, little chill off period. Because usually that's when it's like, yo, let's take off now. So yeah, let's bring that back down. All right, so shocked, Riot been the laggard. Here, let's turn on the correlation coefficient real quick. Let's see. There we go. And then we want to do it for, there we go. And yeah, let's, wait, is it not here? Did I not? Let me turn that back on. There we go. And let's go up to like a 4 hour, and let's go to, you said Riot. Oh yeah, they're kind of falling. Okay, so yeah, Riot looks, that's exactly what I want to see. Like usually the one that is the most, that's kind of like the lowest correlation. So usually anywhere from, I want like a 0, but like whenever they're closer to this range, they usually move up stronger than the others to get to the point where they are more equal. So looking at it, Like when it was correlated, probably about 12% over here. You know, it ran and pushed up to kind of 70. Right now it's at like 50, or I guess maybe 60 right now. Let's see how the other ones are correlated. So Clean Spark is correlated, a little more correlated at about 66. Coinbase at like 80. Hakeem, oh dang, shoot. Hey, Hakeem sending the vibes. That is, what's up? Appreciate you, family. What was it? Rick, the watch list video was good this morning. Let me get 10 more likes. It's 41 people watching. Oh yeah, I think we're at 49 now. And we're almost at a 50% like ratio though. That's solid. Playing the downside on the Qs. Yeah, I'm looking for downside on the Qs. I'm trying to see if we come in to close this gap up here first. And then here. So yeah, getting back to what I was looking at. So we checked out coin is the highest correlated. The other ones you would expect to catch up at some point. So let's see. HUT is 37. Actually, yeah, you would expect HUT to. Well, HUT's been kind of running today, so that's why it's not correlated. So maybe it ends up coming down more. Mara is at about 66. I'm curious about here. I don't even really trade this one, but let's. MSTR is about 40. All right, so I'm gonna close it out right now. Oh, did not mean to delete the RSI. Let's see if I can. Okay, let's close that. And yeah, let's delete that. Now let's go back down to 5 and yeah, right now we're just being patient. Let's see what we got. What we got to look. I think we should get some volume in like 3 minutes. So today's Tuesday. We get the Richmond Manufacturing Index in 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So you see right here, it is an orange folder. So yeah, we should see some volume. So yeah, you'll see the volume is right here on both of them. So kind of zoom out. We'll probably see some. We'll see some kind of move. And if we don't see the move, we'll at least see the volume. Hmm, 52% you say we're closing green. Okay. Interesting. What you think about Vidya or MSTR? I have no opinion on MSTR. Nvidia, I would say I'm overall bullish on. But beyond that, not much of an opinion. I would say Nvidia is like a long-term hold. It might slow down a little bit, maybe next year or the year after, but MSTR, I think that comes down to how you feel about Bitcoin. I feel like it's going to continue going up, so it's probably a good move, but I'm not just going to guarantee it. But Nvidia is doing a good job selling shovels, so we'll let them rake in the dough. All right, so we got about 30 seconds till we get this data. Oh no, yeah. I don't do much trading with MSTR right now. All right, so we got some data. Let's see if we get some volume on this candle. All right, the SPY looks like it's already kind of gotten its volume candle wise, like, or volume wise, it's already kind of got its volume a little bit, just even in the first minute. But it looks like a kind of like a battle. The price isn't really going anywhere right now. Hey, and you say your name, Ametherin? Appreciate you, Hakeem. Gotta clock into work. I'm gonna get with y'all, family. Keep grinding. Appreciate you. Let's send the bull bear. And let me shoot that through. Yeah, appreciate you. Have a good day at work, family. Ahmet her Khan. Ahmet her Khan. All right. Well, yeah, no need to punch the screen. It's like I know the feeling. I have had similar trades myself in the past. And honestly, I don't know how much time you have on it, but I would expect Bitcoin to continue its upward trajectory depending on how much time you got on it. I'm not sure about Friday. Personally, like honestly, I'm not sure about any defined amount of time, but just all I gotta say is don't let it go red, because I've done that many times before. All right. ASMR sounds should be chilling out here pretty soon. My wife brought in some of that good. I've just been here snacking on it this whole time. Oh, hold up. I got a notification from my from Interactive Brokers. Yeah, let's take a look at CleanSpark. I was just looking at it over here on the side. So honestly, when it comes to the crypto stocks, I'm just saying like I would say like Tatiana, what I've experienced in the past is their technicals don't really hold as well. One thing I do see on CleanSpark that kind of comes to my attention is there is a gap to be filled down here at what is this level? There's a gap to be filled at about 959. Wait, okay, you said CSLK. Were you talking about CleanSpark or were you talking about, is that something else? Let me see. I don't think so. You were probably talking about CleanSpark. All right, so, well, there's a gap fill down here, but there is also, oh wait, that's been filled in. Yeah, so really right now, looks like they may have formed a trend to the downside. I would kind of look at this to be the trend for now. And I would say, I guess, whenever we get a break of that, hey, we're back on for upside. And honestly, as soon as I get, if I get an alert on this, as soon as I get it, I'm probably going in on that, honestly. Yeah, so it's like, because right now, CleanSpark is in a, oh, hold up, there's a, I missed this one right here. There's a gap down to like, there's a gap right here. I don't know how I missed that, but I'm over here looking all the way down here, but let me set an alert right there. At about, what is it? 1182. All right, so I just had an alert going off. That alert I set on AMD went off, and then also these trend lines are breaking. So looks like we're going in for that gap fill. I'm going to, here, let me see how much a short on the Qs is. But I haven't got confirmation for a short, just for the record. I just want to add one to the watch list. I'm going to add a 492 put expiring today to the watch list. Because I might potentially want to buy that. But I'm not so sure about that. I want to see some form of I want to see something telling me that that's going to happen, but we did just close this gap, so I would like to see some consolidation. I want to see it like kind of chill up here for a minute and like fake people out so I have time to get into a trade. I'm not trying to just like jump in up here. If I were trading with something larger, I would, but here, I'm gonna hop down to a lower time frame. See how we're looking on the 2. Yeah, we're still making progress on the 2. So for now, see how this candle goes. Okay, so we're pushing up. You said you had CleanSpark at 971, but was a beginner. Hey, it happens sometimes. It'd be like that. There are a lot of stocks I had at some amazing prices. Like I had Nvidia 2 stock splits ago. I had Tesla like 2 or 3 stock splits ago. I had a Palantir at $8. I sold it at like 20. But now I'm like investing Palantir long term. Let me hold on. I might like that put I had added, but still, let me give it a little bit of time. Watch an Amazon call. Hey, let's swap this one over here to Amazon real quick. So we got a lot of liquidity building on Amazon, but if we can hold on, still like Lex, welcome. So I am watching for a short on this on the Qs. We just filled in a gap, but I want to make sure this trend is like done first. I think I'm gonna go in light. I'm gonna get I grabbed a 492 put for I think 46. Yeah, I paid 46, and yeah, we'll see kind of what happens. I think I got in about right there, and I guess that would ideally be the target. I'm just so y'all know, I got in early. Like I have not got any real confirmation yet, so I'm in early on that trade. And I still have some balance to trade. So, but yeah, I just entered that trade, and I am watching that. And Tatiana and I will get to Amazon. I just want to like watch this real quick. So yeah, we got more volume to the upside. Let's see. Yeah, while it's doing that, we can look at Amazon. All right, so here on the 4 hour, yeah, we still have Amazon consolidating. A lot of support. Actually, I feel like I see trend line support on Amazon now. So maybe something, kind of like this, maybe. Let's see if we move that down a little bit. Let's go for this. All right, so I would call that kind of the trend line support. There's a lot of resistance up here at, I guess you could say, the 190 level, like this 189.50 to 190 level. All right, so we're looking good right now, kind of, but like it's still early. It's still early for what I grabbed, but like it can definitely push up, but I took a risk with what I did. But the RSI is kind of in the oversold region. All right, so going back to Amazon, where is it? Yeah, so we're gonna have resistance up here at like the 190 level. See how we're looking on the day. Everything's kind of crossed up on the 1 hour. They came down, they kind of hit that trend line liquidity, and it's like they maybe go for upside. But yeah, I wouldn't want to see them kind of break past this, but they got 1 knock, 2 knock, 3 knocks, so this could be the move right here. So there's potential. Oh, right now they're still trying to push it up. I may need to like flip and get some upside too, just to be safe. But looking at next levels, I know you were asking kind of next levels for Amazon. So the next level would be about, I guess, like 191. Then it looks like about 192. Yeah, it moves up kind of like $1 increments. And then a larger area, like if you got more time, would be 195. And then we need to come test this 200. All right, so the Qs is still pushing up. So you said one, okay. Robinhood new platform. You can make trades from the charts. They are listening to. Nice, because you don't know how many people ask me about like, oh, what platform is this? And can you make trades from TradingView? It's like there are certain. Okay, hold up. All right, yeah, I might need to cut out right here. Maybe get some upside. We'll see. We'll see how this ends up. I'm not going to just get out, but I could look to get more upside. But I want to see, like, I'll probably watch this on the 15. Like I said, I got in early. But we did get increased volume right there. But that was also a good run, so this would be a good place for the run to stop. Like this right here, even if it decides to go a little bit higher, I'd be cool with that. But yeah, we just filled in the gap. Even right now, we haven't necessarily put in, depending on what time frame here, let's go to 30. We're still in a bearish range. So yeah, if they want to take it and sell it off, they definitely can take it and sell it off. Yeah, but 190.25 is your sellout number. How much time do you have on that, Tatiana? 190. Oh, okay. That's okay. You said that probably just happened. So you probably sold out. Hey, congrats, Tatiana. You hit your number. Hey, that's some good money you made right there then. Well, I don't know how much you made, but you hit your target, so that's good. You have 2, did not sell either. And that's what's up. All right, so let's see. Let me come back down. Oh man, this is Stars. It's a game of patience. Just a game of patience. So if this ends up going against me, like I feel like it's going to end up working for me, but if this ends up going against me, I'm going to end up, I still have more that I can get towards the upside. But I don't really see it like running past this like 496. So you said looks like a micro pullback on the 1 minute on Amazon. Let me see what these micro pullbacks are going on. I mean, right now it's still riding the 5 EMA up. I would say like while it's riding that, it's good. But like when it breaks that, or if it breaks that, probably be violent. So yeah, now we just sit here, we display our patience, work on our, I guess, mental fortitude. Oh, we got Tesla earnings tomorrow. That should be pretty exciting. I might make a little YouTube short about that today. I was thinking about doing that. Just okay. You said okay. Sold one, covered my bet. Hey, that's how we like to do it. Way to get to it, Tatiana. And now you're in at like no real risk. No worries. No worries. All right, so we got the Qs trying to. We still got 10 minutes on this candle. I'm on the 30-minute on the Qs. Yeah, Amazon above the 13, above the 9. What can't Amazon do? Yeah, Tatiana getting that bag, Hakeem. All right. You know, Tatiana's always out here getting the bag. All right, so let's see. Come on down. Come on down. All right, so Amazon is currently at that 13 EMA. Kind of trying to test going below it on the 1 minute. All right, looks like it might close below. We'll see. But it's really, to me, it's really going to depend on the close a little bit. All right, so we got the open below, didn't close below, but it opened below. All right, so we're coming down a little bit on the spot. Oh yeah, hold on. Let's throw some GGs in for Tatiana. GG. Yeah. Yeah. Shoot, let me throw a goat in there too. Let's see. There's a little goat on here. I feel like I just passed it. Okay, we're pushing down. Okay, so we're about to get the kind of potential. Yeah, we got the close, like almost pretty much a complete candle below on Amazon. Yo, where's this goat at? Let's see. Yo, I can't find a goat, so I'm gonna just throw a monkey in there. All right, okay, so we're selling off a little bit. Okay, hey, Sergeant Boss Hog found the goat. All right, so we got a little downtrend going. I am now up $2 on that contract, and yeah, still want to see where this closes. Okay, now I'm break even on the contract, but so right now, I guess like 494 around 50 is break even for this contract. So now we should have some sort of short-term downtrend on the Qs from when I entered. But I'm going to still watch this on the 30 just to kind of slow down the trade a little bit. Hopefully this turns into a Phillip. It's still got green. Check it on the 15 real quick though. Oh, we wrong. Over here. Yeah, it's still trying to push up. We'll see. Still got 5 minutes on this candle. So yeah, that doesn't mean anything to me yet then. Jorman just got out of QQQ quick 61. Not going to be greedy today. Just going to watch. Hey, 61, that's nice. Amazon trying to push back up a little bit. See that RSI. So RSI on the Qs is kind of neutral. Oh yeah, they're trying to push back up again. I'm gonna go to 5 minute on Amazon. I feel like that's a little bit more realistic for me. It's like it looked like Amazon was selling off so hard. Just a little pullback. I usually make $30 in the early morning, then I get greedy and end up losing 100. It happens all the time. Yeah, sometimes. Hey, sometimes when you win, you just gotta walk away, or you end up doing some stupid stuff. Like it's cool to be here on the stream and everything, but hey, sometimes it's best to just walk away and say, "Hey, y'all have a good day. I'm keeping my money today." But yeah, congrats. Yeah, GG, Jorman. Still looking for that GOAT. So I'm gonna throw an eagle in there. Smart man, Jorman. You said take another W. Philip, you sound like that devil on his shoulder right now. It's like, hey, you won today. Get in, make another win. Nothing wrong with the one and done. Oh, okay. You said no. Okay, I got you. Oh, what's good, Hon Cakes? I'm not sure I noticed you today, or if I saw you say anything. Ready to walk away from my clean spark. I think I closed that yesterday. I'm not sure if you were here for it, but I'm pretty sure I closed it yesterday just because I don't. It looks like it's pulling back. It looks like Bitcoin's pulling back for now, and I feel like it's possible for Clean Spark to do that, but I feel like there will be a better entry, and it'll be cheaper, and you can probably get more time. Like I don't see it. I don't see it happening though. It's like it's possible, but I don't see it happening. Wait, Jeremiah, trying to hold my feelings. I don't want to lose 2K. Like, oh yeah, definitely don't want to do that. We're here to move forward. Always watching what Tatiana's doing. She's good. Yeah, usually, honestly, normally, like if you can, it's like I know it's not as common for women to trade, but normally women, when it actually comes to trading, they're better traders because I don't know. It's like something about their psychology. I think they're usually a little bit more protective of their money, like less risky, so they kind of just take better. It's like they have better trading psychology in general. Managing emotions is a part of trading. I don't know. It's like I would say yes, yeah. Managing emotions is a part of trading, but it's like, and I would personally consider. I'm not trying to like be like biased or trying to like step on anyone's toes or offend anybody. So no one take this the wrong way, please. But yeah, I would personally say like women are usually more emotional, and I'm less emotional. But I feel like if I taught my wife to trade, she would probably be a much better trader than me. Because they're smarter. Look at our beloved goddess. Yeah, Nancy Pelosi. Yeah. Yeah, she can trade for me any day. I'll take that. I'll even give her like, shoot, I'll give her 80% of my profits. She can trade all my money. I'm sure it'll grow massively. Okay, so we got that 30-minute close. We closed below this little trend line, so, but now we're trying to push above it, so we'll see. Nehemiah, I agree. My wife steers me right all the time, saying, hey, our family's strong here. We help each other. Yeah, that's what we're here for. That is what we're here for. We might be pushing up. Zoom out. Yeah, I'm a hold in there. If this doesn't like blow off the face of the earth, I'm gonna probably hold this into the European close. But if it blows off, I'm just gonna I'm out of here. Let me look at I want to kind of come in and look at the options analysis on some stocks now. So let's start out with the Qs. So right now today, what's today? October 22nd. There is a lot of call volume at the 495. A lot of put volume at the 493. See, let's check the open interest. There's an insane amount at the, well, I wouldn't say insane, but there is a lot of open interest at the 495 for calls, 13,500. And then there's also a good amount for calls, like 13K at the 500 strike as well. So maybe they're eyeing 500. We'll see. Let's check the unusual activity. So today, oh, those are for December, November. Okay, this one's for today. Oh, this is a multi-legged spread. So 4,497 calls, 4,492 calls. What's right in between those two? Okay, so can you take a look at the SPY? Yeah, let's take a look at the SPY. So the SPY hasn't come in to fill its gap yet. Here, let's look at it on the 15. So yeah, SPY has a gap up to here. But right now the SPY is really, for the day, or for the morning, it's like we kind of topped out at about 52 or 582.25. We'll kind of call that our resistance for now. And it's looking like it's found support on the day around like 181. So the SPY is trading kind of in a really tight range. But you could say it kind of looks like there's a uptrend on the SPY for... Oh, SPY and Tesla are sleeping today. Tesla is for sure sleeping today. Tesla is kind of charging up for a move. I'll say like right now it's looking like the SPY is kind of riding up like this. Like where you see, so right here, this is kind of where you see the upward movement on the SPY, whereas the movement on the Qs, just you got an expansion, but on the SPY you haven't really got anything, or at least not in comparison. So it looks like it's barely moving. It's like we got this on the Qs, but we got this on the SPY. So it's like they don't want it to go up. Here, let's see what else. Let me check the analysis on the SPY. So SPY, there is 147,000 calls, or at least there's 170,000 for the volume of calls at the 582 strike. And then when it comes to the 580 strike, there's 106 volume on the puts. Yeah, Tesla's earnings is tomorrow. It will have some kind of move. That's what it's kind of been waiting on. Yeah, it's tomorrow after hours. Let's see. Unusual options on the SPY. It's today that. Oh no, that's the wrong. Oh, my mom just texted me. What'd she say? Oh yeah, you go, Mom. My mom just went for a walk. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, we appear to have some liquidity forming here. We'll see. Like it's like we're still going. Oh, we're just consolidating right now. I feel like this is a good time to check out Derive, or I'll let it conduct this analysis and I'll share it. I'll just read it to y'all. So checking out AMD, let's see what it says. Options traders should consider directional move and volatility. Okay, straddles and strangles. Okay, so I think it has earnings report next week. See what else we got. Let's see Tesla. So due to anticipated lower Q3 earnings, options traders should be aware of the regulatory challenges, lawsuits, fluctuating margins, and consider employing risk management strategies around earnings release. So nothing specific right there. Let's see. Apple. a sec. Sorry, I had a message. I got a little distracted for a second. Okay, what else we have on here? Netflix. Kind of froze up. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm just chilling, waiting for now. I'm liking what I'm seeing right here with the cues right now, but we still got about 20 minutes on this candle. There was something I wanted to ask y'all, but I forgot what it was. But I'm gonna think about it. Can you give your thoughts on Reddit? I have a $82 call that I'm down about 5%. Expires this week. Let's take a look. I mean, this is kind of a level of support a little bit. We're kind of testing it right now, but let's see if we can draw this out. Maybe that's not the best spot. It's still technically in an uptrend on the 4 hour. When it comes to what it's going to do this week, I would say that's semi-questionable. Mahishu, good morning. Hey, glad you could make it in. But right now, only thing that's really sticking out is the trend coming. Actually, let's not draw that from there. This seems strong to me. Or I don't know when I say strong, but right now on the 1 hour, I see it's crossing to the downside. We have, it's like okay volume, but yeah, right now, I'll say this is support, but yeah, right now we don't have any indication of upside. Let's drop down a little bit. Still kind of moving down. It's like we tried to, on the 15, we tried to get above that 200. At 200 is usually going to be a little bit stronger on most things. And it's like we can't get above it. Let's see how we're doing on the lower. Yeah, same on the 10. On the 5, so I don't see anything. Like, I see some consolidation here. So I think if you had more time, or if you give it time, there could be a reversal to the upside. But like with the week, it's like I would probably want a little bit more time, because it is at a level of support and it is consolidating at a level of support. And it's only Tuesday, but each day that goes by, you're taking more of a risk. That's all I can really say right there. Let me check out Tesla real quick. All right, so yeah, we still have Tesla coming into this critical level, coming into its earnings. All right, so we got the Qs selling back off again. I will not be mad if it decides to kind of come back down here and come test this level. James Jarman, hello all. I'm new to this channel, new to trading options, and I'm just trying to learn as much as I can. Hey, that's cool. Hey, that's what we're here for. If you have any specific questions or anything, hey, just type them in the chat. I'll do what I can to help clarify. I bought 2 Reddit and sold 1, covered and made 15 so I won't lose. Hey, see, that's smart. That's smart. That's why we need Tatiana around. She keeps us level-headed, keeps us responsible. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we're looking like on a 5-minute on the Qs. I'm just curious. We are trending down a little bit. That's cool. Let's look at a 2. See the 1. Oh, we're about to cross on the 1. It's kind of exciting on the 1. Let me watch on the 1 for a little bit. And over here, what do we want to watch over here? Let's just pull up the SPY. Okay, the SPY from the trend line I tried to draw, I mean, I'm not sure of its real validity. Kind of coming below that. I haven't looked at my contract, but I would assume I'm down on it just because of theta. I don't think it's moved enough. Yeah, I'm down like $4 on that contract I got. Okay, might be up on it now. I'm up $1. So yeah, over the past like 40 minutes, it's moved. How much is that? I was only moved about 80 cents. And it's probably up like, what is it? It's now up $2. So yeah, we're starting to see some movement. All right, so first thing we're gonna want to watch is this kind of 493.70 area. That is going to be the 200 EMA on the Qs or on the 1 minute. Nvidia moving down. Yeah, Nvidia is pretty much the thing that is responsible for all this movement right now. Nvidia is the cause of all this. What's AMD doing? Well, AMD's kind of chilling right now. But yeah, Nvidia is responsible for all this. Let me clear this out. That call I had on Nvidia yesterday, thing would have been a, wait, traded up here. It would have been an all right swing, I think. I think I sold out over here. But yeah, no, that's not where we opened. We opened, I guess it opened over here. Would have been an all right swing. But I think I'm still happy with how we traded it yesterday. Because I don't think I timed it for perfection or anything. Do we see Skittles in here today? Hold up. No, I don't think so. Must have taken the day off. All right, yeah, it ran up right after we cut out. Hey, they'll do that. They will do that sometimes. But yeah, we got to cross to the downside on the 1 minute. So yeah, let's see if we can ride this down. Did get a good little. Did I exit? No, I did not exit. I'm still in. Yeah, I'm still in it. Let's go back to wrong side. I would love to see Nvidia come back to this 200, or love to see Nvidia come back to like the 140 level. That'll be great. Madwag 12. Am confused here. What are you confused about? Hey, communicate with me and I will communicate with you. I got you. Just let me know. Let's see. Just a heads up to anybody here who isn't normally here. What's going on here is I am looking at the charts and I execute the trades on my phone. So this is like right here, we are looking at the QQQ, which is a stock for a bunch of stocks, or also known as an ETF. So it represents a collection of stocks. And okay, you said trying to day trade, so I purchased 10 in Nvidia. I have to wait for the market to close to see if you win or lose. So you bought 10 in Nvidia. When you say you bought 10, are you talking about like $10, 10 shares, 10 calls, 10 puts, or um and you said you had to wait. Oh, $10. Okay. So what I'm trading is options. I'm not necessarily trading the shares. So if you see me trading Nvidia, and if I were trading Nvidia like shares wise, I would actually look at let me see. If I were day trading Nvidia shares with like $10, I would look at, let me see what it is. Nvidia is, what just happened? Yo, are y'all still there? I think we're good. You said you're using Robinhood but can't buy calls or puts on it either. Oh, so with that, you have to apply to trade options. So yeah, my page just like kind of went down. Like I don't know. It's like the page online that the stream's on. It just like broke. So I was trying to see if y'all were still there. Glad to see y'all are still there. But yeah, in order to trade options on Robinhood, you have to like go into the settings. Like I think here, let me see if I can walk through it. You would click on the guy at the bottom right, and then the 3 lines at the top left. I think you would click on investing, and then scroll down to It might say options trading, or it might say something like apply for options trading. And then you would have to kind of fill that out. Timothy, Nvidia made me some money this week. Honestly, it made me some too. Oh, actually, I think I have some Nvidia shares too in another account. Let me see. Yeah, Robinhood added joint investing, so I think my wife and I have some in our joint account. Yeah, we're up like 24% since we started investing in Nvidia in that account. Has anyone checked out RCL? Yeah, let's take a look at that. Hey, whoever was talking about, I think it was Hakeem, whoever was talking about getting stocks at a cheap price, this is something I had at a cheap price. During COVID, RCL came down to $20. I bought 100 shares at $20, right? And now look at those shares. They're trading at 202. I think I sold around 40. And the thing is, RCL pays dividends too. So it's like, yo, that was so much free money that it's like I had no idea. Like, had I been in the markets longer, yo, I would still be holding this thing. But this is every time I see RCL, I almost feel a sense of regret. Let me show y'all where I picked it up. RCL, right over here. Right over here. That's wild. $2020. Then we had all this. When did it come back down? Oh, in 2022. That would have been a good pickup too. But going back to it on a shorter time frame, let's see. So you said, has anyone checked out RCL? So they're up like 1% on the day. So they got a price target raise. Okay. Oh yeah, I don't mess with it because I'm still hurt by the movement it decided to make without me. Here, let's bring this back down. Okay, so now it's looking like it's still trying to string together some upside on the Qs. We got like 2 minutes left on this candle. Really, really want to see how this candle closes. Okay, Mad Wax. So basically just buy it and watch it on Robinhood. If you're talking about like trading options with 100, well, so what's going on is I'm watching these charts, and yes, I am trading on Robinhood, but I am trading options and not just stocks. So your results will likely be different. Said, I hate to bet against Nvidia, but I'm liking a 140 put expiring this week. Let's look. Yeah, we got like so looking on the 1 hour, I see kind of this right here. Maybe something like that. And then, well, I see like a level of support right here at 182. But below that, we got one at about 140. So yeah, that's definitely on the list. And then like this kind of trend line right here kind of served as support as well. So yeah, potentially it looks decent. We're kind of like rejecting off this right here. So yeah, we could be go for more. All right, we got 7 seconds left on this candle. Oh, they're trying to push it up. All right, so now we're kind of doing like consolidating. We're just consolidating. The volume's like really low. They're just trying to kill the contracts. Kind of make me wish I got an extra day, but I think we're coming down. Unless we're just, hold up. Yeah, I would think we're coming down. But we did kind of pull back to this 200 EMA. Found support there. I'm gonna get rid of this that line at least. We can go back to a 4-hour. Yeah, we still got a gap down here that hasn't been filled either. To about this 491 level. I would like to see that one get filled too. Still very early in the day. We'll try to see how we look at European close. Let me bring him back to the 30-minute though. What did I just do? Oh, it's trying to push up now. What time is European close? It is in 28 minutes. So just layer that with whatever time zone you're in. MSTR green. Oh, Central Time. Yeah, I'm out here with you as well. Central Time. Walk away and hut at 16. For real. Let me go check in on something real quick. Check some analytics on something. Yeah, we got liquidity up here. Let's go back to the 15. Doesn't look as much on the 15. Yeah, we need to come down. I don't know if we end up forming like a double top or something, but maybe not. Patience. So, let's see. My charts are blurry. Yeah, let me. So on oh, what I can see on my iPad, they look kind of clear on my iPad. Maybe it's the signal. Like maybe it's not coming in. Maybe it's not like downloading fast enough. But it's like I see them all right on my iPad. Oh, I'm curious about. I want to see when PayPal. Oh, a little double top on PayPal today, but I want to see where did it go. I want to see PayPal when their earnings is. Go to setting on the bottom right, the video, and change it from 480 to 1080. Oh yeah, if the video quality is looking bad, as long as you got the internet connection for it, yeah, that's gonna make things come out a lot better. Yeah, let me see what is playing in on my iPad. So let's mine's playing at 1080 60. Yeah, it looks all right. On my SMCI looking like a buy. I have like bad experience with SMCI. So SMCI being a buy, the next level it looks like a buy to me would be if it's down here at this 38. But on the 4 hour, it wasn't able to really get above this 200 moving average. So like as of right now, it's still like downtrending. So it's like it might be a buy on a super short term. Oh no. Yeah, SMCI is one that can knife. So it's like I would like to see some consolidation at least. Like I would like to see like something like this, like sideways trading before I'm like, oh yeah, this is going to turn around. Master Yard, I have mine set to 1080p and I can see your finger smudges on the screen from here. Hey, that's kind of wild. That's crazy. You know, I was intending on like turning on like the little camera, having myself in the corner here when I trade. Then I just never did it. I'm gonna throw myself up here one day. Again. think I was trying to get a light, then I ended up getting a light, and then I just got comfortable. Sometimes my wife walks through the back of my stream. She's like, "Oh yeah, I don't want to be seen." So I'm like, let me just leave it off for now. Hey, no problem, Mr. Self-Sufficient. But hey, you got this. Alright. So CleanSpark, Riot, Coin, HUD, Bitcoin. Oh, hold up. Let's stay over here. Bitcoin. Let's go back to a 4 hour. Looks like it's kind of trying to find support at this 66,000 level. But yeah, we needed to come on back. Come on back. Alright, so I guess while things are moving slow. Wait, okay. Think I got myself into a bad trade on Delta Airlines? Is that what that is? $58 call. What do you think? I mean, it's in an uptrend. November 1st. Okay, so I guess that's next week. Here I see something like this. I mean, I would say potentially draw like a similar trend line and see how it does. Here, let's see. And let's see if this holds up. November 1st. Here, let's extend that. So if this were to hold up, it would be in the money on November 1st if that actually if this trend line holds up. And that's assuming it's doing the bare minimum. So it's like, do you want to take that chance? That's on you. But yeah, while it's riding the trend, it can definitely move closer and it can get a lot closer to that. Do I think it's the best trade? I wouldn't say necessarily the best, but it's there. Like it looks like it could be. Yeah, they're just trying to kill this contract. Well, we got 18 minutes to European close. Oh yeah, Palantir selling off. What did I say about Palantir this morning? I said something. Oh, I think I looked at it and I said this looked like it was liquidity on a lower time frame. But I didn't have the confidence to take the trade because it was on a lower time frame. No, I didn't have the confidence to take the trade because of the price that the contracts were. I didn't like the risk reward for the price. All right, let's come back to NVIDIA over here. I said we're kind of trying to like pull back a little bit over here. I would love for Tatiana's thesis to play out on NVIDIA, even if it wants to play out today. For some reason, I have this 139.88 level. Okay, hold on. I got an alert on Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. So Tesla is at the trend line right now. So maybe Tesla is on its way potentially down. Maybe we get kind of sell off into earnings, which would potentially be an opportunity to buy buy upside if we really get it. But yeah, I would love to see Tesla just kind of fall off a cliff right now. Nvidia fall off a cliff right now and just kind of like sell things off. But yeah, so now I got my eyes on Tesla a little bit. Okay, you said you took profit on Palantir. And Mass 3D RC, you said Tesla just did. Are you talking about like kind of falling off? Yeah, because they just, yeah, they're at this trend line right here. Just got that alert. Oh yeah, we making moves on the Qs again. Let's go. Come on. $2 drop. Wow. No, I'm like, honestly, I'm eyeing something much bigger on Tesla. I'm not sure if it'll happen before their earnings. But see, we got like almost like this double top on Tesla. Right now on the, oh, I mean, we're at this trend line. This trend line's been holding up since back here at like 138. So, oh wait, here, this is the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. All right, first off, we got a gap up here too. We got a gap down from 231, so there's that. There's a target to the upside. Then to the downside, next level is about 202. Then I'm looking about like 180. We got 167. And we still have a gap over here at like 147 to be filled. So that's something I would like to see. Let's fill that in. It's not really a weekly gap, but on the daily, there's potential for that. All right, what's NVIDIA doing? Because the Qs is trying to pop again. And let's bring it to a 30. Bring it to a 30. Oh, we got 13 minutes left. Okay. Crowd should hit 400 and said those leaps will be huge. Thing is, those cons ain't cheap though. Oh yeah, 100%. So it's, yeah, that's kind of like one of the things. It's a little bit easier to make money when you have more money. So that's why you kind of gotta oh, you gotta be consistent, and you gotta kind of stack small wins on top of each other and like kind of consistently contribute to something. Otherwise it's you won't ever see that growth. You won't ever get to the point where you have more money to put into things if you don't do that. Like, get used to growing a small amount first. All right, so here. Hey, can you check Apple? I got in Friday, 2:35 call this Friday. Was green yesterday, now red, shaking head. Do you think I should get out in? Okay, so, hey, one thing I would say, like, recommend just in the start is checking out my watch list in the morning. Like if you're in the Discord, I post those. They're free. So I would definitely like check those out. I did talk about this. So I think I had the levels being, I had resistance this morning being 35, support is 33. So we kind of came down there and touched support. And yeah, we came to resistance to, well, okay, we're on our way up to resistance. So it might, I would say right now, while it's trending up, you may be able to, it could come back up, but you probably want to sell into some strength. So what you do with it ultimately is up to you. Just know the level you're going to have trouble getting to or through is going to be this $35 area. And right now the floor is kind of around 33 on Apple. Okay. The brothers on EYL said that. What does EYL stand for? And did you see those Ravens? Nah, last night my wife had my wife's like in a pickleball league or something. So yeah, I was at the pickleball league watching my wife put in work. So it's kind of crazy too. My wife was kind of like, my wife and her partner, they were like undefeated. They had to earn your leisure. Oh yeah, definitely want to earn my leisure. So EYL makes sense. But yeah, your fantasy. Okay. Yeah, let me look at me. Let me look at the recap for the Ravens because I did not see. Okay, all right. So Tampa Bay came out in the first quarter doing their thing. Hey, the Ravens showed up in the middle, and then they Ravens did their thing. And then Tampa Bay tried to come back like they still had Tom Brady or whatever. They tried to put some points on the board towards the end. That's cool. Good stuff. Philip making multiple streams. They took the Bucks to school like they were the new. Y'all are funny. Bucks lost both their receivers. Dang. That's always tough. But the better rounded you are as a team, the less that impacts you. All right, we're pulling back a little bit on the cues. That's cool. What is yesterday, 21st? All right. Marcus Anderson, I'm M. They could win now, but come Super Bowl, let's talk that talk. Shaq, who are you looking at? You said they should have beaten the Chiefs. Are you talking about the Ravens? Yeah, we'll see. We will see. I guess the Super Bowl is going to be the next time I have an opinion. I'm out here with the Cowboys, so I'm already disappointed out here, so I don't have much hope. Normally they give us hope at the beginning of the season, but you said Chiefs, aka the refs, have a big chance. Yeah, we'll kind of see. I was like, I don't really like, unless I go over to my parents' house, I don't really, you said, man, I'm Steelers scary now. What's today? Oh, today's Tuesday. So we don't get anything till Thursday. Plays on Thursday. All right, let's see who plays. All right, so it looks like we got the Vikings and the Rams. Okay, you said hut up. Let's see. Right, we're still pulling back on the cues. So we're selling off coming into European close, so that's something you would expect to continue. Skittles, what's up, family? Hey, I definitely said, yo, where's Skittles? See you coming in the mix now. Just to update you, I am currently in a 492 put on QQQ, and it's looking like it is just now deciding to finally move. And it expires today. And I was waiting till about now to see if we're going to get any movement. So let's see. HUD. You said HUD call up quick. Where's HUD? Come back over here. That's a quick little jump up right there. Still got like 3 minutes till we get a real close on the market. See if we can catch some volume in a couple minutes. And go down to like a 5 on. See if we can get below support, below this 200 EMA on the 5 minute. I want to pull NVIDIA back up over here. Long day traveling. Happy to catch you still on. Where'd you travel to out there? Go do anything fun out there? All right, we got like a minute and a half. It's trying to like hold this support over here. All right, once again, got about 30 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. All right, let's go. Let's see. Gonna get any volume? Here, I'm gonna zoom in so we can see if the candle actually moves any. All right, so from here, kind of like counting down the day. So we made it to European close. So now, probably in the next 15 minutes or so, I'll kind of make my decision on what I'm going to do with this contract, whether I'm going to try to hold it, take losses, or like try to skimp out on my profit. Long, not okay, it's not far. Terrible roads and slow speed limits make everything long. To Saigon is 190 miles and 6.5 hours drive by. Yeesh. Yeah, that's a. You do anything fun out there? Get like some good food or something? See some good views? Go see some friends? Back home, that's a 3 hour ride. Oh, yeah, that sounds fun. Took two 139 puts on NVIDIA for 87. Expiration is this Friday. Oh, I still need to figure out what I had that. Why do I have this down here? I think I might be targeting like some liquidity or something. All right, I'm gonna start shifting through. I'm gonna start looking through some time frames. So we kind of just crossed up on the 30-minute. Go back to a 4 hour. Still holding up right now. Mars pushing up a little bit. The hut, a little bit in the green. Business meeting, good dinner with old friends, rainstorm, traffic jams, pollution, lots of good honking. Oh yeah, I'm sure there was lots of honking. Same trip back tomorrow. Ooh, that sounds lovely. Check out Howl. Let's see. What's that, a moon stock? Let's see, Howl. Let's see. Werewolf. Oh, yeah, I think I was on to something. Werewolf Therapeutics. Okay, let's see. Wedbush adjust the price target to 8 from 9. Let's check the volume. It's a 5 minute. Let's zoom out. Let's look at it on the hourly. That's the volume versus what it. I mean, it has volume coming in. Yeah, that's a lot compared to what's normally there. This might be one for a swing. I'm not sure I would like. Let's see. Oh, hold on, I'm on the wrong account. They have options, but they have like the monthly options contracts. Let me. So, I mean, yeah, they have good volume. They look good. I'm gonna get to a point where I start trading these too. I'm gonna have to open up account to trade penny stocks. I want to check out the PCE, the call to put ratio. It's not looking like too crazy or anything today. Yeah, it looks like we're trying on the 30-minute chart. We're trying. Apple pushing up a little bit. It's Tesla tried to bounce off that line a little bit. Cute. Yeah, today it does. I have reason to believe we're going to lose that level, and I would expect it to happen rather soon. I think I'll probably stay on here for like the next, I guess, 23 minutes or so. Hopefully by then we'll get some kind of movement. Like it looks like we're falling right now, but we'll kind of see. I need a big NVIDIA pullback to get out of these December calls I sold. So, that sounds like you would need a huge pullback. So one thing to know, I don't know what part of December you sold them for, but this year there were a lot of stocks that were down. Actually, I'm not sure how many people are going to be tax loss harvesting on NVIDIA. It's usually the stocks that are down that get sold off more towards the end of the year. So if NVIDIA does, like if people are buying in right now and then people start selling off, if they push the price of NVIDIA down, then maybe you get some good tax loss harvesting and it pushes it down. But as of right now, it doesn't look like that. I would expect NVIDIA to kind of continue to do well. It should have some pullbacks in my opinion, but here, let's see what kind of areas are still like that I could see potentially occurring by the end of the year. So there's this trend line. Let me go to 1 hour. See if we can extend that. So right here, this brings us to December. So if NVIDIA wanted to consolidate, there's still this trend line right here. If it consolidated till about the beginning of December, that would be about around 130. B, what up? Spy had a green hammer candle 10 minutes ago. Let's see. Where's the spy? Yeah, spy's kind of pushing up from here. So, hey, what time frame did I draw this on? All right, so yeah, I drew this on the 5-minute chart. And it looks like spy is still continuing to kind of ride this up. It may end up being a slow kind of melt up day because that's exactly what the SPY is doing. The Nvidia, or not Nvidia, the Qs ran up very early on in the day. Now the SPY is just it's just melting up slowly. So, we'll kind of see what happens today. Maybe, like, if the SPY wants to continue to melt up, it can. And it's like, what I would eye is this gap fill up here. Yeah, these market makers know what they're doing though. Got things moving nice and slow. Or not so nice and slow. Trying to shake everyone out of their contracts. Thanks. Even if I lose shares, I make a lot of profits. I mean, that's good. And then, like, if you want to, you could also turn around and do the other leg for the wheel. You can come in and sell puts, or look at a different stock that you want to deal with. All right, so looks like it's trying to push up some more. Carvana was good money. Oh yeah, I saw you say something about that earlier. Yeah, it ran up. Looks like good volume too. So 194 to 197. What kind of contracts did you get with those, and like how much did you pay for them? Is my question. Yeah, on the 4 hour, that's crazy. What's the catalyst for that? Let's see. Jeffries maintained a hold rating on Carvana, raised its price target to 185 per share from 150. Is that all because of a price target update? Let's see. Let's look over here. Yeah, a bunch of analysts just decided to kind of update their standing on it. Okay, so I see Nvidia coming down a little bit. Nothing crazy, but pulling back a little bit. See how they hold at this 200 EMA on the 5. It's like we got decreasing volume. Let's go to the 5 on the Qs too. Kind of a very similar pattern. We got 15 minutes left. Go to a 10, see if it looks any better. Not really. Tough W, I usually grab contracts with the 20 delta or higher. That's helpful for a little movement. Oh, I need to do something over here. I had the 2025 for the 25th. Cost me 76. Did you sell out? Was hoping I could get out of Nvidia put today, but it looks like it's range bound. It kinda does. I'm hoping to, I'm hoping we can get out of it too. It might take till, it could. Don't forget it's earnings season, so things could happen after hours too. You may just have to see. Worst case scenario, we end up in the Tesla situation where it's something like this. But hopefully we get some actual movement. Like I would love to see us kind of come back up to this EMA. Yeah, it definitely like looks like a downtrend. Yeah, like it's definitely in a downtrend. That's what I had drawn, but we just needed to start trending down. Yeah, I get up and hate pullbacks. So I take profit sold at. Okay. So what's up? Yo, so we are just, I guess we're just chilling here. Hey, let's hope we get a move by the end of the stream. Really just let the stream die. Said profits are good, get some scared money. I'd probably give this one until 1 p.m. because data is starting to get us pretty bad. I'm going to eat lunch and let this market move my way. Yeah, I may end up just kind of holding. Let me make sure I have an alert on this trend line. Let me kind of... Let's look at some things. Also, we're chilling at a level where we could chill and maintain. He said, okay, 1 p.m. Let's see. It's like my thing is I'll end up just completely forgetting about the contract. But yeah, I might hold it. I still have here, let me check out what we have going. All right, here let's so don't really have anything else going on today. Tomorrow we got existing home sales, like hour and a half in the market open. Honestly, it doesn't even look like great days for trading until like Thursday. Friday might be okay too, but actually tomorrow could... No, wait. Tomorrow we have Tesla after hours, so Thursday also looks good because of that too. Where's VWAP? VWAP's at about 493. Is that for... Oh, it's not even over there. Yeah, so volume is just dead on the day. It's like none. Delta Airlines turning around. Yeah, that's what's up. You know, you had that trend work in your favor, I believe. Yeah, I mean, like the trend looks... The trend is definitely in your favor. I don't know how you trade so many stocks at the same time. It's like if I have it's like if I am swinging, I can probably maybe do up to like 3 at a time, but otherwise I just kind of start forgetting about things. AMD is selling off kind of hard. It'd be nice if Nvidia did the same thing. This is Nvidia's 5-minute chart. This is AMD's 5-minute chart. They look nothing alike. See what's going on with AMD. Yeah, nothing there. I set a profit stop loss in the beginning of the trade, so I know my risk before. I mean, that's good. I like to see it like move first a little bit before I set mine, but that way I'm not like just getting stopped out straight away. Yeah, I think we got a good strike price, but I am not sure we got enough time. As of right now, I think I'm gonna try to let it ride, and I'm gonna try not to worry too much about it throughout the day. But yeah, it looks like I'm probably gonna just let that ride, like hold on to that. Hoping we come down. Just doesn't want to leave that level. If we do, if it does break it, let me go back to the cues. I'm gonna set my alert for 493.40. Did I chart Mara? No, I didn't chart Mara today. I don't really like when it comes to a lot of these kind of crypto plays. I don't enjoy the way they chart. It's like I like to see the correlation coefficient. Like right here, I see, I guess you could kind of say a double bottom, but I don't really love the way they chart. It's like all I would do here is, oh, there's kind of like an uptrend right there. But beyond that, I don't. It's not really. They don't like move the same traditionally. They're kind of I would say derivatives to Bitcoin. So it's like that's why I check things like the correlation coefficient and see how closely aligned to it is. All I can say for Mara right now is it's in an uptrend on the 15. It's in an uptrend. It's uptrending on all the lower time frames. It's uptrending on like every time frame up to the daily for now. And the weekly. Yeah, every time frame up to the weekly. Yeah, I don't like the way Mara moves with Bitcoin either. I feel like it reacts a lot more to. Yeah, I mean, I feel like if we get a consistent run, like a solid consistent run on Bitcoin, like when we see like a real move, like say we see Bitcoin up like 10 or 15%. Mara's going to be up more than 10 or 15%, but it's like you might see like a 30% move. But yeah, for now, while you're not really seeing much, yeah, those aren't gonna do much right now. So we're okay. Nvidia trying to push up a little bit. I'm gonna need it to chill out a little bit. I don't think we're gonna get anything while I'm here on stream. Maybe it'll decide to move when I get off. All right, so that is, well, yeah, that's going to do it for the day. See the volume increasing a little bit on the 5 minute, but yeah, we're gonna cut out right here. The market's kind of just chilling. For now, I'm gonna hold. I might even let it just kind of expire and do its thing, but I'm probably not gonna check till like 1 unless this alert down here goes. Oh wait, hold on, that's NVIDIA. Go to the Qs, and I'm probably not gonna check on anything unless this alert down here goes on. So yeah, good game, everyone. Mahishu, thank you. Jorman, thank you. Hey, appreciate each and every one of y'all. Philip, good luck with your trades. I hope it falls. I mean, it's trying to give us some hope right now. So hopefully everyone steps away, clicks off this stream, and then is up. Hopefully it just, I don't know. But anyways, everyone have a blessed day. Hopefully this trade plays off. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.